guys are all doing great. Today I wanted to show you guys the HFP body kit, plus got that spoiler installed on the car. I know a lot of you guys been telling me to install the spoiler, because I did a video before and I was talking about how much I really like this spoiler. Finally got it installed in the car, so I'm going to do a quick walk around the car and show it to you guys, and you guys can go ahead and let me know what you guys think. But I honestly believe that it really complements the car. I actually got it done about a week ago, but I just been really busy, and I didn't get a chance to really do a vlog on the car so I can show it to you guys until today. As you guys can see, it's snowing. Well, not currently right now, but it snowed before, and so there's a little bit of snow on the ground. But I'm not driving the car technically. I actually just pulled it out off the garage so I can show it to you guys. So anyways, let's do a quick walk around and you guys can let me know what you guys' thoughts are. So this is the spoiler. It's actually fully secured to the trunk lid, and I'm really liking it. I think it looks really nice. I think it complements the car just looking at it from the rear. And I'll open the trunk and show you guys how he modified it to fit the trunk lid, so it looks like it's one piece. It looks like it's factory. But yeah, so I've been looking for the HFP trunk lid for a long time now. Couldn't find it. Ended up finding this guy, liking it, and decided to go with it. Yeah, so I think it looks nice. The other thing I was thinking about doing was, I know how he got it cut right here. I was actually thinking if I could just kind of get it, just kind of cut it down so it's like kind of take the shape of this guy and it just come all the way down. Not sure how that would look, but you know what, it is what it is. And but I think it really looks nice. I think it complements the car. You guys can go ahead, like I said, and let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I wish I had much better weather so I can really show it to you guys more in depth, but that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna open it up and so actually I don't need to do that. I forgot there's a button back here. You guys can push to release it, and there we go. So of course the trunk is a little bit heavier now, so usually when you push the release button, it kind of popped up a little bit. Now it's just sitting still because it's a little heavy. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. Customize it. It's like one piece just going across, so you guys can have a look at it in depth. And yeah, so I think he did a great job. So that's what she looks like. Look at it from this angle. Yeah, so, and I'll just kind of go around to the front, and he did a really good job, you guys. So I'm really liking it. Now if I pull away from the car, just looking at it from a distance, so you guys can look at it, and there's a perfect shot right there. I think it looks good. I think it complements the car. Once again, you guys can go ahead and let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Quick little walk around for you guys. It's a little bit cold today, but it's not as cold as a few days ago, where I was actually doing a vlog in my 8 Gen, and I gotta tell you guys, man, yeah, I had to kind of get inside and put the camera down and warm up my hand. My hands were like literally freezing. So yeah. So that's what it looks like. Look at it from this angle. And there it is right there. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. Actually, before I had this installed, I had a video that I did where it's just sitting on the car. So, to kind of give you guys an idea of what it would look like. And a lot of you guys like it, and so I just kind of go ahead and get it done. And you guys, it didn't cost me that much, to be honest with you. And I don't want to say this because I know, I mean, I've known this guy for years now, and so yeah, I'm sure, if you decided to do this for someone else, it'd probably be a lot more. But this actually cost me, you guys. Modified it, because this was actually came over to about here. so he had to cut it, and you know, just did body filler, you know, to and just kind of modified it and repaint it same color as the car, and that cost me $250. Yep, that cost me $250. But I'm sure if you guys decided to go and get it done yourself, because you know, I mean, that is my price, it'll be a little bit more for sure. But you know, for quality work like this, you know, great guy, you know, and yeah, I recommend him, you know, to anyone out there. You know, he does great quality work, and you know, like I said, he's not expensive at all for the work that he does. I'm really liking the car, you know. Man, it looks really nice, you know, my opinion. I think he just really compliment the car, you know. But just looking at it and just really appreciating, yeah. Just a little quick walk around again. So you guys can go ahead and you guys can let me know what you guys' thoughts are. I mean, would you get this spoiler for your 9 Gen? You know, and this spoiler, just in case you guys want to go there and get it, this is from the 2023 or 2024 Audi A3, and that's where this spoiler came from. So if you guys are looking to get it, you know, done to your car, you guys can go ahead, and that's the information for you right there. But I really like it. I think it complements the car, like I've said so many times now. And overall, man, look at that, looks amazing. My opinion, that is. You guys may think differently, but you know, either way, you guys, I mean, constructive criticism are welcome. So if you guys don't like it, go ahead and let me know. If you guys like it, you can go ahead and give me a thumbs up are appreciated. And you know, yeah, so there's something else I want to show you about the car. On this side, with the HFP body kit, oh wait a minute, it's not this side. This side's good, so it's not this side, it's the other side. Yeah, right here. Can you see that? Wait, you guys can see that? The tape, the glue rather, released. The glue is released, so it's not really holding. I'm not sure if because when I did this, I actually did it in the winter time, I believe it was, so last winter. But yeah, I don't know, maybe that's why, or maybe I just need a more stronger glue. But yeah, so it's not, this is the second time now that it actually releases, so I'm gonna have to figure it out, you know, to get something that a much stronger bonding glue, you know, that's gonna really keep it intact. Yeah, but this is the car. I'm actually thinking about actually raising the height of the front. I think that's a little bit low. And just walk around to the other side. But overall, I like the shape of the car. I like the front to be a little bit lower than the rear. I like the rear to be a little bit higher. Yeah, so just a quick video for you guys. Once again, quick little walk around. I still have to do my front license plate. I had to get it modified, which I already did it. I just got to put it on. Not getting any problems with the cops, and that's good. It's always a good thing, you know. You know, but yeah, so there you have it. One more look from the top so you guys can, you know, check it out more in depth and see if this is something that you would get. I also did mention in my last video that I had the windshield spoiler installed as well, and that I did by myself. That's super easy to do. And so far I think this car is, you know, almost done. Just a few little things I need to get done, you know, and then it should be done. The main thing I need to do is I need to do the I believe it's called a bola, the exhaust system. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I believe it's a bola. So I want to get that done, and that would give it a nice deep tone, which is what I'm looking for. I want to do the same for the engine as well, you know, but like I said, everything is money, and you know, when you have two cars you're trying to modify, you know, you have to kind of prioritize, you know, what's more important. Yeah, but so far I believe the car is done. So thank you guys so much for watching these videos. Thank you for all the support that I've been getting on the channel. I wanted to do more content for you guys, but like I said, you know, timing is not always on my side, and I do have a full-time job and have wife and kids and family to care for. So yeah, but I'm gonna try and see if I can put up more content for you guys. But I appreciate all the subscription, I appreciate all the love, I appreciate all the comments, I appreciate all the likes, and you know, as you guys continue to support me, you know, I'll continue to create more content for you guys. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. As always, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.